Okay, I'm doing JEE Advanced question year 22, question 16 from the maths paper. If you're watching this on YouTube, you've probably already read the question, so I don't need to go over that. I'll start straight with it. What is the probability that x2 is greater than y2? I'm starting from the second subtopic. It is much easier for me because later I'll show you how to do the first subtopic. Probability that x2 is greater than y2. You've already read everything, you know that this is win comma win, draw comma win, win comma draw. You've already read the question, and obviously you're searching for a JEE Advanced question, that also question 16. So you've calculated what's the probability of winning and getting a draw, obviously. So now 5 by 12 into 5 by 12, 1 by 6 into 5 by 12, 1 by 6 into 5 by 12. This gives you 25 by 144. This gives you 5 by 72, and this gives you 5 by 72. You add all of these, you get 25 plus 10 plus 10 equals 45 by 144. Now, what do these divide by? This This divides by 9, this divides by 9 equals 5 by 16. 5 by 16 is R. So just remember this. 2 is R. Now, use a bit of your brains. Just a bit of your brains. You're gonna know that the probability of x2 to be greater than equal to y2 is the probability of 1 minus the probability of y2 to be greater than x2. Now, since symmetry exists, you know that the probability of y2 greater than x2 is directly 5 by 16 as you've calculated here. Mind, here you've calculated x2 greater than y2. Here it's y2 greater than x2, but symmetry takes care of all of that. So 1 minus 5 by 16 is 11 by 16. Also there in the options, option Q. So 1 comma Q. You already have the first two. Here you're gonna see you want QR, QR, QR. You can see in the options, option A and B have QR in the order. Now they've stated that option, both of them have third one as T. So just don't waste your time on the third one. Now A has S as the fourth one, which is x3 greater than y3, whereas B has T, which is S, which is 355 upon 864, and B has T, which is 77 upon 432. I'll just get this to the 864 because it's much better like that. I think it's 154, I'm not sure, upon 864. 864. Okay, now we don't want to do maths. We already did so much maths. We can use a bit of our brains now. So I'll just write the options A and B. These are the only options we are playing with right now. A says 1 is Q, 2 is R, 3 is T, and 4 is S. B says 1 is Q, 2 is R, 3 is T, and 4 is also T. Here we've clearly stated 1 is Q, 2 is R, so these are the only two correct ones. 3 is T in both cases, so 3 has to be T. Now 3 is X, this. Wait, my bad. I just need to read the question now. Sorry. really sorry. Sorry. 3 is the probability that x3 is equal to y3. I'll just write it here, x3 equal to y3, and 4 is the probability that x3 is greater than y3. 4 is the probability that x3 is greater than y3. As you see with the 2 case, it's obvious to be exponential with the 3 case, but in the same order. Probability that x2 is greater than y2. What was that probability? I forgot. R. So R is 5 by 16. And probability of x2 being equal to y2. What was the probability for this? Probability for this is, how much was it? Q minus R, which is 11 by 16 minus 5 by 16, which is 6 by 16. No, that's incorrect. It's not 6 by 16. You can see the probability of x2 being equal to y2 is only possible in 3 cases: win, loss, win, and draw, draw. This is 5 by 12 the whole square, this is 5 by 12 the whole square, and this is 1 by 6 the whole square. 25 plus 25 plus 4 upon 144, sorry about that, 54 by 144 equal to, what is 54 by 144? I don't know. I think it's 3 by 8. This is 3 by 8. Oh, I was actually correct. It is 6 by 16. My bad. What's wrong with me? I'm dumb. 6 by 16. Now you know the probability of these two being equal is more than the probability of one being greater. This is the probability of them being equal. This is the probability of them one being greater. That means this has to be more than this. Which means we are going to take the greater option, which is S. 4 equals S. There. I think JEE Advanced gives you 5 marks per question. I'm not sure. Here's 5 marks. 1 step to IIT.